Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at the Artisan Cutlery Satyr. It's a titanium frame lock folding knife, so let's get started. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member for exclusive content. Thanks a lot. So a big shout out to Artisan Cutlery for sending me this knife. This is a brand out of China, but like a lot of the brands like Civivi and Kaiser, they're really making the mark on the world with quality knives at decent prices. They've got great materials, good fit and finish, and nice designs as well, although that can be a bit more subjective. But let's have a look at this knife. It comes in this box, which is standard with the Artisan Cutlery knives, but this is the first, at least for me, this is the first time the knife has come in this velvet bag. It's a nice presentation bag. And let's get the knife out. Here's the Satyr titanium frame lock knife. It's got this textured, almost webbing like design. Now there is a thumb hole, but I can tell you from my own experience, I'm really bad at this specific design of thumb holes. I really can't do that deployment well, and I'm not even pressing against that frame lock. It's just, I don't have the ability. Let's try a spidey flick. So even if that, I'm not flicking it out. So I will have to do a two-handed deployment. So that's something to consider. Now my buddy can flick this out both with thumb and spidey flicks. So it is just me. So if you're like me, you might have a trouble opening it if you want a quick one-hand deployment, right? It's unlike a Spyderco knife, which has that, hole, very easy to deploy, whether it's by spidey flick, user error, spidey flick, or the thumb flick. But this, I just don't have that. Let's try it again, all right? I'll give it one last shot. All right, I flicked it out a bit. Let's try the spidey flick. Yeah, still not getting it. So that's something to take note of. And that's just generally, not just this particular knife, a lot of knives which have this specific design for a thumb hole, I have a problem with. But the knife itself, great fit and finish, as I've come to expect from Artisan Cutlery. Centering is great as well. All right, let's talk about the specs of the knife before we really share my thoughts on the knife itself. So the blade length is 3.35 inches or 85 millimeters. The handle length is 4.41 inches. The overall length is 7.67 inches or just below 200 millimeters. The weight is 4.13 ounces or 117 grams. So a pretty lightweight knife for this particular build. The blade thickness is 0.13 inches or 3.2 millimeters. So that's a nice thickness for urban EDC knife. Drop point style blade. It's got a sand polish finish, flat grind, although you can say maybe it's a high saber grind because you can see that line over there. And the blade material is ARRPM9, which is a proprietary blade steel from Artisan Cutlery, and basically to me it's like 9CR13 MOV. So it's overall great, good corrosion resistance, decent toughness, edge retention is not fantastic, but it is easy to sharpen. For me, this is great for urban EDC tasks. So the blade hardness is HRC 59261. The handle material is titanium. It is a frame lock. There's a stainless steel pocket clip. The pivot assembly is ceramic ball bearings, so it is very smooth. And if you can just get used to that flick, it does deploy very easily. So overall, a very nice, simple, yet elegant looking knife. You got texturing on the handles. You got that nice drop point. You've got that nice drop point blade, quite beefy in fact in terms of the width, but overall I think quite aesthetically pleasing if you're looking for a titanium kind of knife, and not too expensive as well. It's about $120 US. You can get it on discount, so for a titanium frame lock, that's actually pretty good, I think. But what do you think of this Artisan Satyr? Do you like the overall look and aesthetic? Do you like the materials? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep it folded, keep it safe.